What's up tech friends, and welcome back. We've got something insane to talk about today. You know Nokia, that company that used to be the absolute king of phones. Well, they've been making a quiet comeback, and it looks like they're about to drop a nuclear bomb on the smartphone market. We're talking about a phone so epic, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Nokia Magic Max 5G. So, grab your popcorn, because we're about to dive deep into the leaked features, specs, and a wild card price, and launch date for this absolute beast. Let's go. Features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Display. First up, the display. Forget everything you know about smartphone screens. The leaks suggest we're getting a massive 6.93-inch QHD plus AMOLED display. And it's not just big, it's tough. We're talking about Gorilla Glass 6 protection, so you can probably drop it from a helicopter and it'll be fine. Okay, maybe don't do that. But here's the best part for all you mobile gamers and media junkies: a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. But the real showstopper, the camera. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is sport a triple camera setup, with the main sensor being a mind-boggling 200 megapixels. That's right, a 200. This isn't just a phone camera, it's practically a DSLR you can fit in your pocket. On top of that, you'll reportedly get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixel macro lens. And for all you selfie kings and queens, the front camera is rumored to be a whopping 50 megapixels. Performance and software. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, this phone is rumored to be packing the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This is the kind of chip that handles everything you can throw at it, from high-end gaming to intense video editing, without even breaking a sweat. And for the operating system, the leaks are pointing to Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. Next, let's talk about the one thing that always seems to let us down: the battery. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is rumored to have a colossal 8000 mAh lithium polymer battery. You could probably go a full weekend without needing to find an outlet. But the most incredible part, it's said to come with 90-watt fast charging. The leaks claim this thing can go from 0 to a full charge in just 30 minutes. That's not just fast, that's insane. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, literally. The price. The leaks suggest the starting variant, with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, could land at around $700. If that's the real price in the USA, this isn't just a flagship killer, it's a flagship massacre. And the launch date, well, that's still the biggest mystery. There's no official word from Nokia, but the rumors are pointing to a release sometime early next year. So, what do you all think? Is this the phone that puts Nokia back on the map in a huge way? Are these specs just too good to be true? Let us know in the comments below.